Welcome to the heart of Boca Raton, Florida, where elegance meets coastal luxury. Today, we're giving you an exclusive look at this breathtaking $20 million estate located at 190 Northeast 5th Avenue. A masterpiece of modern architecture, this home redefines sophistication, blending sleek design with resort-style living. Let's step inside. As you approach, you're greeted by a striking contemporary facade, manicured landscaping, and a gated entrance that offers total privacy. The circular driveway leads to a dramatic front entrance, double custom doors that open into a world of refinement. With over 10,000 square feet of living space, this mansion is built to impress. Step into the grand foyer, where soaring ceilings and floor-to-ceiling glass walls flood the interior with natural light. The open-concept design connects the formal living room, dining area, and expansive entertainment spaces seamlessly. Every corner of this home is accented with bespoke finishes, Italian marble, and imported fixtures. The state-of-the-art chef's kitchen features sleek cabinetry, quartz countertops, a 12-foot waterfall island, and top-of-the-line appliances by Sub-Zero and Wolf. Whether you're hosting a private dinner or a lavish party, the adjacent formal dining area and custom bar offer the perfect setting for unforgettable gatherings. This mansion offers 6 bedrooms and 8 bathrooms, each one a private retreat. The primary suite is a sanctuary, complete with a spa-inspired bathroom, dual walk-in closets, and a private terrace with sweeping views of the lush backyard. Every en-suite bathroom is crafted with the finest stone and glass, creating a luxury hotel experience at home. You'll also find a custom home theater, a private gym, a designer office, and a glass-enclosed wine cellar with room for over 1,000 bottles. This home isn't just about luxury, it's about lifestyle, offering every amenity you could dream of, under one roof. Step outside and discover your own private resort. A zero-edge pool, sunken fire lounge, summer kitchen, and multiple lounge areas make this the ultimate space for entertaining. Surrounded by tropical landscaping, this backyard is pure paradise. Luxury, design, location. This is more than a mansion, it's a statement. Welcome to 190 Northeast 5th Avenue, where your dream lifestyle begins.